World Republic WorldCoin. So what is that? So seems there is a new app inside of App Store in WorldCoin. There are a lot of new interesting apps in here in their own ecosystem. It's called World Republic. So here you have it. They are based on WDD token, and you just sign in here with your World account. And then you can basically have some kind of like basic income, which is drachma. Drachma is WDD coin. And that's basically the idea. So that's the coin. You can claim basic income if you just logged in. If you verified with Orb, you can claim basic income plus in here. Then you can try to withdraw that, then contribute. You can buy, you can have some buybacks. Then you can invite people. By the way, feel free to use my referral code in here. So this is my referral code in here, ANDRIIG. So you can just use that. So there are some polls of the day, and basically the idea that this is again like decentralized democracy app where you can just vote on different issues, and like you can earn this like WDD token just like as a basic income. You can refer people. I don't know where to enter referral code. If you got for example mine code. Maybe when you create an account. So here you see so you haven't received reward, then you can just tap reward refer option in the referral section. So for example, here you have the app, and then invite, and then enter username. So here you can then just feel free to enter my username, ANDRIIG. So then you can get that. I don't know if you're getting. So here you can just use my code. So feel free to enter my invite code in here. So that's the idea. Pretty cool. And there are a lot of contests, so you can just participate. You can earn some tokens in here. And so that's basically the idea.